Tell me when. Okay. So here we are at another job site visit with our guys here in Newark. Of all places, it's good to be home. Looks like we're doing a little air conditioning add-on here. But what's with the chase there? What's that all about?
So this one's up in the attic, so we're putting in a 2-ton 14-seer air conditioner right now. This is a replacement. So we had the faceway was already there before for the old line set running up to the attic, but you know, like we always do, we always change out the line sets. So that's what we're doing. We're also doing a drain line right now because it was the old PVC, which is a little too small, prone to getting clogged up.
Yep.
So we're going to be changing that out.
Improvement.
Upgraded, so less likely to cause any issues, especially since we're in an attic. You know, getting the water out is probably one of the most important things, considering when it leaks,
Right,
it
it's
goes
a mess.
down.
It's
So
a mess in the house.
Yeah.
You don't want that.
don't want that. So that's what we're doing. We also got a drain pan and a wet switch going in upstairs in the attic to make
And
sure
the
if
wet
anything
switch
does.
is like an indicator if there's a backup in it. Or
Yeah, so
something?
wet switch, it sits in the drain pan, so we put the whole air conditioner coil in. So in case anything ever happens, the drain gets plugged up or the coil freezes up, then we're gonna have that wet switch underneath, so if any water goes in the pan, it clicks off the air conditioner and it stops
so
any
it doesn't
water.
flood the hole.
So it doesn't ruin your ceiling on your second floor or anything. And
Yep.
yeah,
Excellent.
definitely.
Excellent. I appreciate knowing that. That's great. You guys do great work. Yeah, I like the extra effort you guys put into this, thinking through it for, you know, maintenance reasons. You know.
Yeah.
We definitely don't want callbacks.
Right, yeah, callbacks.
Do not want callbacks.
I want to make sure if any of our service guys come out here, you know, we can make sure that we can actually work on this
because
thing.
that's your forte. That's what you're really skilled in.
Yeah.
Good. Well, yeah, I appreciate it. I'd go up in the attic, but I don't like attics. I'm not gonna lie to you.
It's a little warm up
I'm
there.
getting old and fat, and I don't really want to go in an attic. But no, nice job. That's great.